By using Wix, you can also generate your own video. And to do that, let me just select an element right over here. That is something like an image. Let's go to edit and replace, and then just go to replace section right over here. And then what you have over here is the image. So I'm just going to go around onto my site files. So you can choose the image that you want to work with. For example, let's say I want to work with this. So once you go with this, you see the crop, edit, adjust, and cutout, which will redirect you to photo editor. But if you were to go to create a video, then a new box will open up, which will prompt you to create your own video. So you can add in different media, as you can see. So I can go over here and choose different site files. For example, I'm going to choose this. And let's say, for example, I'm just going to choose this one and add the video right over here. I'm just going to add in plus again. And let's say I'm going to add this one to the video right over here, just like that. And I'm going to add another media over here as well, like this one. So this is something I want to add to the video. So I'm just going to rearrange this just like that. So over here, you can add in your opening text just like this. So this is a fairly quick way to create a video, something like an intro or something. So I'm just going to say lessons, Wix lesson, Wix ADI lesson right over here. And the text right over here. So I'm just going to go around open text. Second text, learn with TutorTube right over here. Third text is keep on learning right over here. And closing text will be like keep upgrading, just like that. So that's the content, as you can see. So I fairly brought in the medias, the pictures that I want to use, and added in the text. So let me just click next, and over here you can choose the theme colors and design. So you can go over here, choose the theme color that you want to work with. Let's say, for example, I'm going to work with red and gray. I can choose the font that I want in the video. So let's say, for example, this one, and orientation. So you can create a square video, landscape, or portrait. So I'm just going to stick to landscape right over here. You can choose different themes of design right over here. For example, you want this one or you want this one, as you can see. So you can choose different type of filters. There's no filters, there's minimal, as you can see. So I'm just going to go for minimal right over there and press next. So over here, then we have a choice to add music right over here. So you can play up the music right over here as well. Just going to go around and choose the music that you want to work with, just like that. And then once you're happy with the music that you want, you can just press next. You can go over here, preview this out right over here, and press next. So once you do that, you can see that it says include the info at the end of the video. So if you're creating a marketing video, you do want to add this in as well. So I'm just going to go around and add this. You can also add in your business logo if you want to. In my case, I'm just going to skip it. And over here, the web address is going to be youtube.com/tutortube. Business tagline, learning at your convenience right over here. Convenience. All right. So there you go. Additional information. Keep on learning right over here. And I'm going to say apply and preview. And it'll take some time to create the video that you actually generated. So we have to wait for a while. So I'm just fast forwarding this part. And here you can see that the video is ready. So I can just preview this out, and there you go. The text is there, the video is there. You can see that there's the image, there's the animation. So I didn't have to do anything manually. Everything was generated for you to use. So you can save and share, as you can see right over here as well. And at last, you can see right over there. So that's the video that got generated, as you can see. You can go back to editing and make further changes if you're not happy, or you can just press save and share right over there. So I'm just going to click save and share right over here, and it's saving your video out right over there, as you can see. And here it's saved. So you can share this on Facebook, upload to YouTube, or download the file as well, just like that. So video is saved right over here. So now you can just use this on your website as well, just like that. So you can use that on your website because the video has been generated right over there. And it will appear in the site file section right over here where it says Video Maker right over here. Once you click on Video Maker, you'll be able to see that the video is there and ready for you to use. So let me just close this, and over here what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in the video file. So I'm just going to click this, and I'm going to replace this out with that video right over there. So I'm just going to go around over here onto site files. I'm going to go over here onto the video, go to Video Maker and then select the file right over here. And I'm just going to apply this out right over there. So this is the one. I'm just going to close this. I'm just going to select this. So it seems like I'm not able to apply it onto the video because I'm not actually in a video. So I'm just going to go to Video, replace this out with the video right over there. So now I'm going to go to Site Files, and then I'm going to go to Video Maker right over here. And then from Video Maker, I'm just going to go full in with TutorTube, apply that out right over here. And then the video has been applied, as you can see. So I'm just going to preview this out right over there. And once I preview, you can see right over there that that has been applied out as the background of the page, just like that. And that is how you can generate video using Wix Video Generator. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.